Debby continues to bear down on parts of the Carolinas. High winds and downpours brought down trees and power lines in the South Charlotte area.
And that's where we find meteorologist Jim Lytle. So Jim, how are conditions where you are?
Well, Debbie's going past us now, moving up into New England. Very similar to Hugo back in 1989 in the storm track. It came ashore, interestingly, at Sullivan's Island, which is what Debbie did too. Nowhere near the damage we had with Hugo. We want to show you some of the damage. It was sporadic in nature, but enough of these pockets of damage, like we're going to show you here, that it caused some mayhem across our area, as you well know. Uprooted trees, what you see there, a gigantic oak tree that got lifted out of the soil, very moist soil because of all the rain, and the wind blowing at 47 miles per hour did some of that damage. Look at the roof behind me. You can see the blue tarp up there. A tree had fallen on that part of the roof, and they had to put the tarps over to protect it. Lots of power lines down. This is why Duke Energy does things like cut the trees back and trims them, because when they do fall, they're less likely to do the damage you see here. And over here, there's actually a power pole that got snapped. The tree fell on the line, snapped that power pole, and we got a whole neighborhood here without power. Enough that, yeah, it's going to be not fun for the people who live in this neighborhood. Also some flooding that's not far away from here, too. We're not far away from McAlpine Creek. All that to say, again, pockets of damage, enough of them that we caused the mayhem that we had here over the last 24 hours, and we're going in a much better direction now that Debbie's moving off away from us. We've got practice for the next one. Hopefully there is not one. Well, reporting from Southeast Charlotte, Jim Lytle, Queen City News.